All right, in order to find the solution set for this absolute value inequality, the first thing that we need to do is isolate the absolute value sign, or the absolute value expression here, the 9x minus 3 in the absolute values. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides to do this, giving us negative 3 times the absolute value of 9x minus 3, which is less than negative 15. Then we're going to divide by this negative 3 on the outside of the absolute value here, giving us on the left-hand side the absolute value of 9x minus 3. And be sure to remember that in this case I was dividing by negative 3, so I'm flipping this inequality sign. And I get a 5 on the right-hand side. All right. Now I have to analyze this, a less than or greater than statement. This is a greater than statement. This will give us two disjoint sets. To find these sets, my first one is the 9x minus 3 is greater than 5. This is exactly the same statement without the absolute value signs. The second one is the same, except for I flip the inequality sign and make it a negative 5. Okay, so I'm going to solve these two inequalities. Alrighty, and then I'm going to graph these just so I have a visualization of these. I'm going to graph x is greater than 8 ninths. 8 ninths is a little bit less than 1 here, so there you go, and greater than. And now less than negative 2 ninths. Negative 2 ninths is just less than 0, so it's right here, less than 0, and x is less than that. All right, and then for the interval notation of these two disjoint sets, I would get negative infinity to negative 2 ninths, not including 2 ninths, and then 8 ninths to infinity. And that is the solution set to this absolute value inequality.